Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Yassine, and I think I found a way to use AirDrop between your Android phone and your Mac. And this method is really easy and straightforward. There's nothing to download, no plugins, no add-ons. All you're gonna need is your Android phone and a Mac. So for those that don't know what AirDrop is, AirDrop basically uses Bluetooth to transfer files between your Apple products, and it's exclusive to Apple ecosystem. But today I think I found a way to do it with an Android phone. And the reason that AirDrop is really important and crucial to content creators is that whenever you're editing a picture on Lightroom or a video for Instagram on the computer and you're finished with it, then you can just transfer it using AirDrop to your phone and then post it on Instagram or Twitter rather than trying to email it to yourself or find drive to upload it to, whether it's Google Drive or Dropbox, and that just takes too long to upload and download. So this method, you'll be able to do the same thing you do between your Mac and your iPhone with any Android phone. So we're just going to jump real quick onto the computer and I'm going to show you guys how to set this up, and it's really simple and straightforward. So the first thing you want to do on your computer is go to the little Apple logo and hit System Preference, and this is the System Preference menu, and you want to go to the third row, last item, which says Sharing. Now when we click on Sharing, you'll see a bunch of different sharing options, and the first thing you want to do is turn on Bluetooth sharing, and then it's going to basically give you that information that the Bluetooth sharing is on, and then here is where you can select what you want to do when you are receiving an item. You got different options, and then where you want to put it, and you can select any other folder. You could select desktop, wherever you want. I like to put it in my downloads folder because everything I download goes in that folder. And once you do that, you're all done. You close the system preference and you're going to jump over to the phone, and in the phone you want to just go into your Bluetooth settings, and now you want to search for any Bluetooth devices around, and your MacBook should pop up. So you will click on your MacBook and it's going to start pairing your phone with your MacBook, and you will get a little prompt that says Bluetooth pairing requested. Now you make sure it's the same key as the one that appears on your computer as it is the same one that appears on your phone, and then you will click OK on your phone, and then you will click connect here. And once that's done, then your phone has paired with your MacBook. And if you look at the top right, the Bluetooth menu, you will see that you have your phone in there now. The one I'm using is the Galaxy S9. So that's it, they're connected, and now you're able to send files back and forth between your phone and your MacBook. So let's just jump right into my phone and show you guys how that works. So if I jump right here into the camera and I take a picture of the mic that I'm recording this video with, I can take that picture and then click on the picture, and I will see the little sharing option at the bottom right. When I click share, you just wait until it says Bluetooth, and then you will click on the Bluetooth, and then you'll see a bunch of different Bluetooth devices that show up, and right now the only one available is my MacBook because that is what the phone is connected to. So you will click MacBook Pro, and then you will send that file to your MacBook, and then in your MacBook it'll show you that the S9 is sending a file, and depending on how big the file is or how many files, it will take a few seconds to, or up to a few minutes to send that file. Once that's finished, you'll get a little notification on your phone that says file sent, and you can go back to your computer, go into the downloads folder, and it'll be the last item that came into your folder. And you can see this image right here. It's very sharp, very crisp. It's just no quality lost, sent over Bluetooth. And that's how you send stuff from your phone to your computer. And then if you want to send files from your computer to your phone, then all you need to do is click on the little Bluetooth icon on the top right corner and hover over your phone, and you'll get an option that says send file to device. Once you click that, then you'll get a little pop-up where you can select the different files and folders on your computer, and that way you can select the item that you want to send. So for now, we'll keep it on the desktop, select this picture and click send, and once you do that, it starts transferring and showing you how much time will be left over. And on your phone, it'll show you the file size and also whether you want to accept it or decline it, and we will click accept here just to see how long it'll take. And as you can see, it's really fast, really quick. Within seconds, the picture is sent to your phone, and now you get a little notification at the top of your phone. And if you go home and pull down a notification bar and click that little notification, then it'll load up the picture in your inbound transfer file, and you can click on it and you'll see your picture. So this is a quick way to send pictures from your MacBook to your Android phone and from your Android to your MacBook. So essentially this is AirDrop for Android and Macs. It's just not as polished as AirDrop works between iOS devices, but I've been using this method to transfer files between my Mac to my Android phone so that I can post stuff on Instagram and Twitter. Anyway, I hope you guys found the video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to the channel. Share this video with anybody that is interested in trying to transfer files between an Android phone and a Mac. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay plugged.